Introducing the AWS-5500 Intellect Torque Tester, a revolutionary solution for verifying the accuracy of dial, beam, and click-type torque wrenches. Designed by Advanced Witness Series, this state-of-the-art torque tester combines precision, versatility, and ease of use to meet the demands of calibration, assembly, and tool room personnel. With a wide torque range of 50 to 500 lb. ft, the AWS-5500 Intellect Torque Tester caters to a broad spectrum of applications, ensuring accurate and reliable measurements. The half-inch square drive accommodates various torque wrenches, making it a versatile tool for different fastening requirements. All functions of the AWS-5500 Intellect Torque Tester are accessible in a single step, streamlining the testing process and enhancing efficiency. The auto recognition feature enables the tester to automatically recognize up to 7 transducers, simplifying the setup and saving valuable time. The torque tester supports multiple measurement units, including AWS, in, lb, ft, Newton meters, cnm, kgfcm, gfcm, kgfm, allowing users to select the preferred unit for their specific needs. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the AWS-5500 Intellect Torque Tester. Its wide torque range, single-step access, plug-and-play functionality, and support for multiple measurement units make it an indispensable tool for calibration, assembly, and tool room professionals. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience precision, versatility, and efficiency like never before.